The second question I had is does taking guest bookings through like request for money. So it's a button on there that's saying you can request for money or send money. So that's the same as doing it through the resolution center. So
Correct.
for example, if taking money from a guest through their request through the request money button, does that take away from your algorithm? So if you're requesting, if a guest wants to stay one night more, 2 nights more, but they can't extend their stay on the platform, but they just want to do it through a request. If you do that a few times with a guest, does that actually hurt your algorithm, or does it affect it any way of any other guests seeing your listing on the platform, of Airbnb? Because that's different than them actually extending it. You're actually just sending them a request for them that's set. Say if they want to stay 3 more nights, you send them a request for how much that is,
Hmm.
and they can do it that way versus extending that booking. But doing it the other way, does that really affect the algorithm and other guests seeing your listing on the site or anything like that? So that's just the two questions I had.
Interesting question. Okay, yeah, we could jump into those.